Hi, it's McKee McDonald with the Smith McDonald Group, Coldwell Banker, Carlson Real Estate in Stowe, Vermont. I'm coming to you today from 548 Putnam Forest Road. This is our new offering and it is gorgeous, just like the views behind me. A meticulously maintained house, beautiful grounds, and top it all off with an accessory dwelling that has exquisite woodwork and it is just perfect for entertaining. I invite you in to take a look at this property today.